Sports on the Black Information Network.
When it comes to Team USA, the women's basketball team is playing for an 8th straight gold medal after storming past Australia with a score of 85-63 in the semifinals to extend their Olympic winning streak to 60 games. The New York Liberty's Brianna Stewart led the way with 16 points. Meanwhile, Las Vegas Aces teammates Asia Wilson and Jackie Young combined for 24 points. Meanwhile, track Olympian Noah Lyles says his run at the 2024 Paris Olympics is over. After a third-place finish in the 200-meter race on Thursday, Lyles revealed that he tested positive for COVID 2 days prior, but was trying to push through his sickness. On Thursday evening, Lyles made an announcement on social media saying, "I believe this will be the end of my 2024 Olympics," and adding that it is not the Olympics he dreams of, but it has left him with so much joy in his heart. And 16-year-old Maryland high school student Quincy Wilson became the youngest male athlete ever to compete on a U.S. Olympic track and field team on Friday. He ran the opening leg of the men's 4x400-meter relay preliminaries at just over 47 seconds, about 3 seconds slower than each of his 3 teammates. The U.S. did finish third in advancing to the medal round. There's no word yet if Wilson will take part. Sports at 14 and 44 minutes past each hour. I'm Morgan Wood on your home for 24/7 News, the Black Information Network, and MBytes.com.
On January 31st, 1988, the Washington Redskins and the Denver Broncos clashed in Super Bowl 22.
Good afternoon from Jack Murphy Stadium in San Diego, California.
With Doug Williams leading his team to victory, Williams became the first starting black quarterback in the National Football League to win a Super Bowl and the first to win the MVP award.
No matter who you are, what color you are, just get that same opportunity that everybody else gets.
Williams, a star player at Gambling State University, was drafted in the first round by the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. After 5 seasons with the Bucs and a year in the USFL, legendary NFL coach Joe Gibbs brought Williams to the Redskins. During Super Bowl 22, Williams took on John Elway and the Denver Broncos and threw for 340 yards with 4 touchdowns. The Redskins won Super Bowl 22, beating the Broncos 42-10. After retiring from pro football, Williams went on to coach at Gambling State University, and today he works with the Washington football team as a senior vice president. I'm Weston Tashome for the Black Information Network.
HBCUs have been around since 1837, providing education to black students for over a century and a half. Support HBCUs and learn more at uncf.org.
Entertainment news on the Black Information Network. Rapper Travis Scott has been arrested in Paris one day after having a disorderly intoxication charge against him dropped in Florida. This time, the rapper was arrested after getting into a fight with his bodyguard and then with a security guard who tried to break them up at a 5-star hotel in the French capital city on Friday morning. Back stateside, the 33-year-old still faces a charge of trespassing in Miami after being arrested for causing a disturbance on a charter boat at the Miami Beach Marina in June. Meanwhile, NBC reportedly plans to ask Snoop Dogg to be part of its 2026 Winter Olympics coverage. The rapper has been all over NBC's broadcast of the Paris Olympics and has been wildly popular. The Athletic says when 2 key NBC Universal executives were asked if there were plans to ask Snoop to return for the 2026 Milano Cortina Games, they gave affirmative answers and described Snoop as enthusiastic, adding they would be thrilled to have him back in any capacity. The Milano Cortina Olympics are set to take place in February 2026. With the latest in entertainment news at 17 and 47 minutes past each hour, I'm Morgan Wood on the Black Information Network. The DC comic book and movie franchise Wonder Woman features the story of a beautiful Amazon superhero warrior.
And once they finally destroy Ares, the German army will be freed from his influence.
But did you know there was also a black Wonder Woman as well? Created by writer Don Heck, her name was Nubia, and she made her comic book debut in 1973 as DC Comics' first black superhero. Similar to Wonder Woman, Nubia has super strength, magical weaponry, and comes from a floating island where her family rules. Wonder Woman and Nubia met for the first time in a special DC Comics issue, and the two battled in combat before becoming friends. In 1975, actress Teresa Graves was scheduled to play a black female superhero in the Wonder Woman TV series that was based on the Nubia character, but the character was never written into the TV script. DC Comics reintroduced Nubia to readers in the early 2000s and may finally bring her to the big screen in the Wonder Woman movie franchise. And that's a fact. I'm Big Sue for the Black Information Network. Because trust matters.
The Black Information Network. The Bay Area's BIN 910.
I'm Mimi Brown. And I'm Bree Wood on your home for 24/7 News, the Black Information Network. As BIN's Lock It and Store It gun safety awareness campaign continues, we take a look at the impact gun wounds have on a child's physical health. BIN's Andrea Coleman spoke with a medical professional who explains why gun wounds are often life-threatening for children.
When we get children who are victims of gun violence, it's really all hands on deck, and you can just see the teams. We work hard for every patient that we take care of, but with children, it just feels like we work a lot harder.
James Gannon is the trauma program manager at Sinai Hospital in Baltimore, Maryland. Part of his responsibilities is pulling together medical teams to respond to emergencies like gun wounds. What happens when a person endures a gun wound?
A lot of it depends on, obviously, where the person's been shot.